Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi kepada pertemuan kita yang ke-8 dalam tugas unit pengaman bahasa. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang hak asasi manusia dalam berbahasa Inggris. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Human right. Our freighted to harm English human right French droit de at home is a legal of normative concept which states that human have inherent right because they are human beings. Human rights every anytime, anywhere, and anyone. So they are universal in principle. Human rights cannot be recovered. Human rights are also indivisible, interconnected, and interdependent. Human rights are usually addressed to the state, or in other words, the state has the obligation to respect, protect, and fulfill human rights, including the preventing and taking action against violations committed by the private sector. In modern terminology, human rights can be classified into civil and political. For example, the right to life, the right not to be threatened, and freedom of expression, as well as economic, social, and cultural rights relating to access to public goods, such as the right to a proper education, the right to health, or the right of the housing. Conceptually, human rights can be based on the belief that these rights are naturally bettered by the universe, God, or reason. Meanwhile, those that reject the use of natural elements believe the human rights are the embodiment of values agreed upon the society. There are also those who consider human rights as representatives of the claim of the oppressed, and at the same time there are groups that double the existence of human rights at all and claim that human rights only exist because human rights work and attack about this concept from the point of view of internationality law. Human rights themselves can be limited or reduced on certain conditions. Restrictions usually have to be set by law, have a legitimate purpose, and are necessary in democratic society. Meanwhile, reduction can only be made in a state of emergency that threatens the life of the nation. And the outbreak of war does not meet this condition. During the war, international humanitarian law acts as a specialist. Even so, a number of rights still cannot be exercised under in circumstances such as the right to be from slavery or time. Ancient societies did not recognize the concept of universal human rights as well as modern societies. The real pioneer of the human rights discourse was the concept of natural rights developed during the Enlightenment, which later influenced political discourse during the American Revolution of the French Revolution. The concept of modern human rights emerged in the second half of the 20th century, especially after the formulation of the General Statement of Human Rights (FUHAM) in Paris in 1948. Since then, human rights have undergone rapid development and become a kind of code of ethics accepted and enforced globally. The implementation of human rights at the internationality level is overseen by the UN Human Rights Council and the UN treaty bodies such as the United Nations Human Rights Committee and the Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, while at the regional level, human rights are enforced by the Human Rights Court, Europe, the Inter-American Court of Human Rights, and the African Court of Human Rights, the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ECCVR, and the International Covenant on Economic have been ratified by almost all countries in the world today. Ya, jadi ini menjelaskan tentang hak asasi manusia dalam berbahasa Inggris, masalah-masalah hak asasi manusia, apa itu hak asasi manusia, mengapa terjadi dibuatnya hak asasi manusia. Ya, terima kasih.